Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, famously declared, "The unexamined life is not worth living." This statement holds profound wisdom for entrepreneurs navigating the tumultuous waters of the startup world. But first, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and thumbs up. Just as an unexamined life lacks direction and purpose, so too does an unexamined startup. Without deep introspection and a commitment to continuous learning, startups risk drifting aimlessly, susceptible to the myriad pitfalls that litter the path to success. Socrates believed that virtue is knowledge. This principle, applied to the startup context, underscores the critical importance of continuous learning and self-reflection. Startups that prioritize acquiring knowledge, understanding their strengths and weaknesses, and adapting to a constantly evolving market landscape are best positioned to thrive. In the startup world, where uncertainty reigns and the potential for both triumph and failure looms large, the Socratic emphasis on self-awareness and the pursuit of knowledge serves as a guiding light. By embracing these principles, entrepreneurs can navigate the choppy waters of the startup journey with greater clarity, purpose, and resilience. In the fast-paced world of startups, knowledge is power. The more entrepreneurs understand their industries, their customers, and themselves, the better equipped they are to make informed decisions. This pursuit of knowledge is not a one-time endeavor, but an ongoing process. Startups must embrace continuous learning, seeking out new information, and refining their understanding of the ever-changing market dynamics. This means staying abreast of industry trends, attending conferences, reading voraciously, and engaging in meaningful conversations with mentors, advisors, and fellow entrepreneurs. But knowledge extends beyond mere facts and figures. It also encompasses self-knowledge. Startups must engage in honest self-reflection, identifying their core values, strengths, and weaknesses. This process allows entrepreneurs to make strategic decisions aligned with their vision and capabilities, maximizing their chances of success. Ignorance, as they say, is not bliss, especially in the startup world. Many common startup mistakes stem from a lack of knowledge or understanding. Entrepreneurs who fail to thoroughly research their target market, for example, risk launching products or services that fail to resonate with customers. Similarly, startups that lack a firm grasp of their financials may find themselves facing cash flow problems or making poor investment decisions. Knowledge, in this sense, acts as a shield, protecting startups from avoidable errors. By arming themselves with knowledge, entrepreneurs can anticipate potential challenges and make informed decisions to mitigate risks. This proactive approach increases the likelihood of startup success and fosters a culture of informed decision-making. Section 4. Aligning mission and values. The path to fulfillment. Startups driven solely by profit often find themselves adrift in a sea of emptiness. True fulfillment arises from aligning a company's mission with a deep-seated set of ethical values. When entrepreneurs are passionate about the problem they are solving and operate with integrity, they create a sense of purpose that permeates the entire organization. This alignment of mission and values attracts like-minded individuals, customers, and investors who believe in the company's vision. It fosters a positive work environment where employees feel valued and motivated to contribute their best efforts. Ultimately, aligning mission and values is not just the ethical thing to do, it's also good for business. It creates a strong brand identity, builds trust with stakeholders, and drives long-term, sustainable success. Section 5. The power of self-awareness. Know thy startup self. Self-awareness is an indispensable trait for successful entrepreneurs. It involves honestly assessing one's strengths, weaknesses, passions, and limitations. Entrepreneurs who possess a high degree of self-awareness are better equipped to make sound judgments, delegate effectively, and build strong teams. They understand their own leadership style and its impact on others, allowing them to create a positive and productive work environment. Moreover, self-aware entrepreneurs are more receptive to feedback, recognizing its value in their own growth and the development of their startups. Self-awareness, however, is not a destination, but a journey of continuous self-discovery. Entrepreneurs must cultivate a habit of introspection, regularly reflecting on their experiences, seeking feedback from trusted sources, and remaining open to learning and evolving. Thank you for watching.